Hi, this is Ganesh, and I'm here to talk about a training initiative that I started a while ago, that is Skibble. And what makes me qualified to train people is that my 14 plus years of experience into application development on both web and mobile platforms, and the communities, the developer communities or the contributors communities that I've been part of, and my exposure to the people and startup companies and MNCs. So I think I can train people in certain technologies in web like Node.js, Angular, React, and JavaScript, HTML, and CSS. And also, I can help find jobs for few people. I'm trying to build something, ecosystem itself in the training domain for web and mobile technologies. Yeah, obviously, I'm not doing it for money. I just want to do it for people, and that's kind of a passion I have, to be around people and do something for the people. So yeah, so far, the past few years, I've nearly helped 50 plus people to train and land jobs, and then I thought, why wouldn't I start focusing on this for a part of my life? So that's when Skibble is born. So what do I do with Skibble is that so I'm trying to teach web development, and I have decided my web development course into two categories. One is the foundation level training, then the second is advanced level training. So you would start with your self-paced learning and create 5 mini projects with the help of the content that I provide. So this content that I've already created and hosted in our website. So when you go to Skibble Foundation course and click on the Start Learning, you will find this documentation developed in Notion. This will help you to run through the foundation course, and you will be able to learn basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And with the knowledge that you gain on this particular tutorial or course, you'll be able to build 5 mini apps that are actually described in this document, that is final assessment document. So you would run through with all these documentation, which probably has 6 pages around it, and you learn and then exercise, and you learn and then exercise. Finally, you learn how to host a website, and then you'll be given assignments. So this is an assignment. This assignment is already made and it is up and running in a particular link. If you click on this link, you will go to that assignment link. You will need to build this 5 mini apps just to clarify or give you the taste of web development, and gives me the confidence that you could really focus and learn. So it's win-win. So we encourage you to strongly urge you to go through the documentation that I have provided in this particular link and build these 5 mini apps. So once you've gone through this documentation and build these 5 mini apps, we'll open the applications for advanced course. Obviously, I'm not doing this for money, and I wouldn't have bandwidth or resources to support large number of people. So I'm actually limiting the number of admissions that I have. I just wanted to narrow down my focus to a focused group, and those cohorts group I can able to focus and train. So once you click on that link to apply, and you will come to this survey, wherein if the survey is open, you can subscribe to the Discord channel that we provided here. So in this channel, whenever you see a notification for advanced course, and you can come here and apply for the advanced course. So this form will ask you to fill in some information about yourself and the link for your mini apps, and we will review your application and we'll come back for you whether you're qualified for the advanced level or not. And then how does the advanced level course will happen? So in the foundation level, you might have already learned HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. In this advanced level course, we will train you on JavaScript a little bit deeper, and then we move on to Node, MongoDB for the database side, and we'll teach you how to create web app with the Express.js help. And So for now it is Angular. So for the future batch or the next batch, we are trying to replace Angular with React. So React is gaining a lot of popularity these days, so I just wanted to replace Angular with React. Nonetheless, we will have topics on Angular as well. So this is what you learn in your advanced course, and this is what you learn in your foundation level course. And how the training will be. So the training will happen. The foundation level training is your self-learning course. So you post a stand-up on Discord every day on a channel that is created for you or the learners for that particular batch, and you'll post a stand-up update and you give your updates and you work on those assignments. And if you need any help, you will contact us in Discord or any other channel that you have exposed to, or you and me both are exposed to. And then you post the sync up updates at the end of the day, like what is the status that your plan and whether you achieved it or not. Though this would be the same thing for foundation course and advanced course, but for the advanced course we will have training sessions on weekends, most probably 8 to 10 p.m. IST, Indian Standard Time, and with 2 breaks at least. So it will be 8 to 10 or 8 to 10:30. So those are the timings for the trainings on the weekend, and you will be given an assignments and you will be given a handout, something like this. So for each session you will be given a handout like this, and you will go through each topic, and each topic will have detailed videos and detailed explanation and detailed documentation around it, and you will have the recorded session of that particular week, and you will have assignments for that week as well, like these. So each week the session will be over, you'll post the stand-up updates, you work on it, you seek help, and you complete your job and post updates. So this is a mandatory cycle that you have to follow, because when the session is done, if you're not practicing and if you're not seeking help, if you're not asking for any help and not doing anything, this code is not going to add value. So you will get habituated for this cycle in the foundation course itself, and your foundation course updates will also make you eligible to the advanced course. So don't forget to post updates in Discord channel, and don't think twice to seek help, and don't forget to post your status of your end of the day. So that would be the day of a particular candidate in the training. And after the training, what happens? So you learn from us, and we will help you to place, and you will have the knowledge on web development, and you don't have to sign any contract or anything with us. You're free to pursue your dream, or you're free to pursue your any employment from anywhere, and we as the developers are here to help you, and you as a developer, part of this ecosystem, can help the next batch as well. So you learn and you can teach here as well. So that's the beauty of this program. Thanks for watching, and thanks for showing interest in Skibble. So yeah, let's get connected on the Discord channel, and the link is in the description below. Please join the Discord channel, and or if you think someone else could be benefit out of this video or this training, feel free to forward this video or the links that you see in the description. So yeah, please do support, please do encourage, please do pass on your feedback about what do you think, and what should I be doing, and what am I missing in this journey. So thank you.